Come on, come on, come on. Get your ass in the seat before it's too late. No, 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 no. Don't sit with the kid with the rolly backpack. He can't read social cues.
Hi, you're looking at me. How tall are you? There's a monster next to you.
Hey, what's up, Caleb?
Actually, I sat in ice cream on purpose. I was trying to cool down.
Oh, I feel you, buddy. I have a super dry tongue. Look.
Angry. Woody Allen was accused of molestation. He says he didn't do it, but he did marry his stepdaughter. It is both very complicated and very simple.
Damn it! When did everyone get so tall?
When their glands release androgens and hormones, triggering puberty-related growth spurts.
No! My backpack! My backpack! My backpack!
Andrew, man!
My backpack!
You can't touch his backpack!
My backpack!
That's like his one rule!
Geometry.
We just got you saying all that Scooby-Doo stuff on tape.
It's not on tape, it's a memory card.
Give me that camera!
This camera belongs to the AV Club!
Don't worry, I'm not gonna, like, gay you in your sleep or anything.
Why would you even say that?
It is physically impossible to turn another human being into a homosexual.